Hello everyone. So today we'll see this problem. Find first and second order partial derivatives of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square and verify dou square f by dou x dou y that equals to dou square f by dou y dou x. So first we will write that here given. Let f of x comma y equals to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So this is equation 1. So first we'll find out dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y, dou square f by dou x square, dou square f by dou y square. Later we'll find out dou square f by dou x dou y, dou square f by dou y dou x and verify. So first here equation 1. So differentiation partially with respect to x. So I'm going to written here dou f by dou x. So dou f by dou x you mean that here ax square. So a x square differentiation 2x plus 2h y constant x differentiation 1 plus by square. So is constant, differentiation 0 once again. So with respect to x, y is constant, with respect to y, x is constant. Everyone knows this one. Once again I am telling here a is the constant, x square differentiation 2x plus 2hy is constant, x differentiation 1, by square is constant, that is equals to. Therefore we will write that dou f by dou x equals to 2ax plus 2hy. So this is equation 2. Okay. Again equation 2 differentiation partially with respect to x. We'll write this one dou square f by dou x square. So that equals to, here with respect to x, y is constant. The same manner here 2a is constant. So x differentiation 1 plus 2hy 0. So that implies, so we'll get that 2a. So this is equation 3. Okay, I'm going to draw one line here. Okay. Now equation 1. So differentiation partially with respect to y. So then we'll write here dou f by dou y. So with respect to y, x is constant. So therefore ax square is constant. So we'll write 0 directly. So plus 2hx constant in 2hxy. So y differentiation is 1 plus in by square. So we'll write here by square differentiation 2y. So in the next step we'll write dou f by dou y equals to 2hx plus 2by. So this is equation 4. So again equation 4. So differentiation partially with respect to y. So we'll write here dou square f by dou y square. So that equals to, so we'll write here with respect to y, 2hx is constant, so we'll write here 0 plus 2by. So we'll write the 2b to y differentiation 1. So therefore we'll write here dou square f by dou y square equals to, so 2b. This is equation 5. So but find out the dou square f by dou x dou y, that equals to dou square f by dou y dou x. Okay. So once again we will write that dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y in the next page. So what is the dou f by dou x? What is the dou f by dou x? We'll see here 2ax plus 2hy. 2ax plus 2hy. I'm going to draw one line. Okay. Here you know from the previous slide, dou f by dou x equals to 2ax plus 2hy. So dou f by dou y equals to what? 2hx plus 2by. This is equation 3. So now find out that what? Dou square f by dou x dou y. So dou square f by dou x dou y mean that dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. So that means that the equation 3 differentiation partially with respect to x. So therefore you write it here dou square f by dou x dou y equals to, so 2hx, here 2h is constant, x differentiation 1 plus 2by is constant, will write the 0. So therefore dou square f by dou x dou y equals to, so 2h. Similarly we'll find out dou square f by dou y dou x, so that equals to dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. So this means that here equation 2, so differentiation partially with respect to y. So therefore you will write here dou square f by dou y dou x. If you observe the second equation, first one is the 2ax with respect to y is what? Constant 0 plus 2h into y differentiation 1, so we will get dou square f by dou y dou x, so that equals to 2h. Okay, so now I'll write here, so if you observe the previous slide, what is it here? Equation 3, 4, 5, here equation 6, here 7. From equation 6 and 7, so we'll write dou square f by dou x dou y equals to, so dou square f by dou y dou x, hence it is proved. So thank you.